Okay, Larry, poop them out. Okay. My turn. I love those. Hey, Larry, who got a blue egg? Okay. Larry, that's just the wrapper. My bad, sorry. I changed it. Silly Larry. Who? I'm gonna do a whole bunch. Boop. Boop. My turn. Larry, stop pooping out wrappers. Okay, Emma, don't be so bossy. Let me try again. Better. Emma, I think it's time to hide the eggs. Okay, let's go. Can I hide my wrappers? Go for it. Eee! Can I hide my wrappers? Go for it. Eee! Eee! Come on, let's go to the other houses. Emma! It's Easter! It's Easter! It's Easter! It's Easter! Yay, one for me. Yeah. Ooh, one for me. Ooh, mine. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, guys, I found the last one. And this one, guys. And oddly, 2 wrappers. That was the best Easter ever. Yeah, that was like, wow. Emma. What? Where'd you get those Easter eggs? Huh? Larry? Emma? We just seen the Easter bunny. I have a picture on my iPhone. I just took it. When did you get an iPhone? Look at the picture. Look. Too bright. Who cares? We just saw the Easter bunny. You guys. Boop, boop, boop.